Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So for the next couple of days, we'll be looking at the dplyr package and various functions within it. So for today, we'll be looking at two functions, which are mutate and transmute. So these are for adding new columns to your data frame. So let's first install the dplyr package and call it, and here we'll be creating a sample data frame. It looks something like this with information on trees, location and height, and here we will be using the mutate function, and this pipe operator is very common in dplyr. It's actually from another package called, I think, magritar, yeah, something like that. And it allows you to sequence your operations. So what I mean is that you can take the output of one operation or a function and make it as an input of another operation. We will look into more complicated tasks in the upcoming videos. For now, what I'm doing is that I'm just having my data frame here and I'm going into it, and I'm here using the mutate function to create a new column called height normalized. So here, instead of normalizing it, you can have something like mean or just maximum height or whatever you like. So if you run this code, you can see that a new column has been created, which is the normalized height. But again, make sure that you understand when you run the main data frame, it has not changed at all. So if you want this new column to be added, you need to assign it to a new data frame like this. So if you do this and if you check the new data frame, then you can see that a new column has been added. So it's not just one column, you can have multiple columns. Like I told, maybe you can have something like height max, something like that. Yeah, but this might not make much sense because it's gonna be the same value. Yeah, it's the same value everywhere. So yeah, also the height is wrong. Maybe we will have something like max equal height plus 10. That might be better. And if you check the new data frame, yeah, see here, for every value of height max, it's 10 plus the value of height. So, and another function I wanted to introduce is transmute function. So it's very similar, but the difference here is that instead of just adding a new column, here we will get only this particular column. So for example, if you are trying to calculate the normalized height and if you run this, you will just get the height normalized column, everything else will be gone. So this is the same as the column here, but yeah, you won't have other columns. So this is used when you just want one particular result. So that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. We'll be looking into more options and functions within dplyr in the coming videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in R related data analysis and data visualization. So till next time, ciao.